So we need to use contraposition to prove this statement. So first of all, let's write down the contrapositive. All right. Now, if you have if P then Q, the contrapositive is if not Q then not P. So in this case, we're going to have to write down if not x is bigger than or equal to 0, then not x5 plus 7x cubed plus 5x is bigger than or equal to x4 plus x squared plus 8. In other words, if x is less than 0, then x5 plus 7x cubed plus 5x is less than x4 plus x squared plus 8. So that's the contrapositive, and if we prove the contrapositive is true, then we've proved the original statement is true. So that's interesting, because if I multiply by x to the 4 to try and x to the 4 plus 7x, I'm not going to get the same on both sides. Well, I'll look at the powers. It looks like, I'll say since x is less than 0, i.e. x is negative, x to the 5 is negative. Because when you power up to an odd power, if you put a negative number in, you'll get a negative answer. X cubed is negative, and of course x is negative. So therefore x to the 5 plus 7x cubed plus 5x is negative. Okay, that makes sense. If x is negative, then anything powered up to an odd power is negative. Okay. And anything powered up to an even power is positive. So since x is less than 0, x to the 4 is bigger than 0, x squared is bigger than 0, and of course 8 is bigger than 0. Now, it wouldn't matter whether x is less than 0 or bigger than 0, but if it was equal to 0, we wouldn't be able to say it was. So by specifying it's less than 0, I'm going, look, it's less than 0, so if I power it up to a positive power, a even power, then I'm going to get a number that's bigger than 0. Therefore, what was it? X to the 4 plus x squared plus 8 is bigger than 0. All right. So we have that x5 plus 7x cubed plus 5x is less than 0, and x4 plus x squared plus 8 is bigger than 0. Therefore, x5 plus 7x cubed plus 5x is less than x4 plus x squared plus 8. Because this is negative and this is positive, so it's got to be less than it. All right, so it worked. I've proven the contrapositive is true. Since the contrapositive is true, comma, the original statement must be true, must also be true. I.e., if x5 plus 7x cubed plus 5x is bigger than or equal to x4 plus x squared plus 8, then x must be bigger than or equal to 0. Just check that's what it was. Yep, got it.